Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see step by step how to apply for a tourist visa to Australia as a family. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please gonna subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys. So guys, when it comes to apply Australia visa online, the very first step is to create your IMI account, IMMI account. So if you have not created, you can create that first. So after you log in, this is the screen you see. So we are going to start a new application. So we click on new application. Okay, now it is asking which one you are going to apply. So we are going as a visitor and we're taking a visitor visa. Okay, you need to read and understand these statements and conditions. Once you're okay, click on next. Is the applicant currently outside Australia? Yes. Current location. So I'm just putting some sample values, guys. When you do, you have to do as per your case. Don't just go by what I'm doing because it could be correct or incorrect in your case. So don't just go by this. Select the stream, tourist stream. Okay. Now you need to provide the reasons. Tourism. Okay. Significant date. So I'm gonna write some sample or what do you say, garbage values, but you have to put clear and significant date and any details that required what they have asked. This sample application, okay, that's why. Is the application be lodged as part of a group? So you can click on this group processing, what exactly it is. It's very important to know that you are aware of certain terms. And then some applicants may be traveling as part of a group such as a family members, friend, colleagues, or may wish to have their application processed together. To link this application with others in the same group, a new group can be created or existing group can be entered. The first member of the group to launch their application should create the group. All other members of the group should enter those group details in the application form. All right. So let's say a couple, John Smith and Elena Smith from India, both Indian citizens are applying. So John is filling this up. So John enters this. Okay. And then because now he is the first applicant, he's going to create the group. So when Elena applies, Elena will follow this group. No, group name. So I'll say Smiths. Group type, family. I'm not sure if it's going to be accepted or not. Okay, it's accepted. All right. Maybe they track with ID, not with the group name, because I think Smith's going to be very common. Is the applicant traveling as a representative of foreign government or traveling in United States? I select no. Is the applicant of the previous visitor visa that was impacted by COVID-19? I select no. So guys, again, when Elena will apply, she will again select yes, yes for these options, and then she needs to enter this group detail. Okay, applicant. All right, family name. So I'm gonna put some sample. I need to select a date. Oh, sorry for taking too much of time. Passport number. Just sample, guys. Country of passport. Okay, I select no, but they want the reason because from India it is available. There's a valid national identity card issued. So like Aadhaar number and all. So because I sample video, I select no, but based on your country, even for India, you need to provide these details. I mean, you need to provide national identity card number. So for the sample video, I selected no, but in your case, you do it. Folder, I select no. Place of birth, state, province, valley. Let's make it look better, right? Why not? Country of birth. Ah, other name, relationship status, married. Okay. If we haven't even known any other name, no. So you know the search country, yes. The country, no. You need to answer as per your case. Just don't go by what I'm doing. So I selected no, like I'm trying to make it a simple case, okay? But you may not have this kind of simplicity. What is the error? Ah, based on the passport details, or maybe sample, they took it. Let me see if I can go now. Okay, yeah. So they even track even the format also. See how advanced their system is. Traveling government. Is there any other person traveling with the applicant to Australia? Yes. Family name detail. Is also must submit a separate visitor visa application. This includes children and other family member. Okay. Does not person has applied for a visa. Yeah, that's correct. Because at this moment, in our sample case, John is applying for the visa, but Elena is yet to. So I'm gonna click add. And you should have some patience. Sometimes it takes time. Okay. Relationship to the applicant, spouse. Yes. Smith. It look better. Elena. Date of birth. Okay. Confirm. Yeah. Next. Country. Okay. These are very simple questions you can understand easily. This is in India, right? So let's search India. Wow. Note that street address is required. Country. Again, they have asked for the address, so it's simple, not a big deal. Sample address guy. This address may not even exist. I have to use 6 digits, otherwise they may even stop this also. Huh? Home phone with no spaces. Okay. In India, it's 10 digits, right? Cell phone. Postal address same. Authorized recipients, I select no. But if you have, you can select that one. Non-comprehensive, any members of the not traveling to Australia who are not. I select no, but if you have, definitely select yes. Proposed. Does the applicant intend to Australia for on more than one occasion? I select no. Length of stay. Up to 3 months short term, he has asked. Planned arrival day. So I'm just doing Jan 31st. Planned departure day. Oh, I should make it 2023, right? Otherwise, it's in past. Haha. Planned departure day, Feb. Let's say 28, a month. Long stay. Study, do you wanna do relative friend contacts? No, but if you have, definitely provide details. Like I've always said, be honest in your application. Because if you get one misrepresentation, it's gonna create a lot of trouble for you. So why to do that? Be honest. Employment status, employed, self-employed, retired, student, other. So I select employed. Okay. Then these are the options came. If I unemployed, length of unemployed and position held. So self-employed, all these details have been asked. So for simplicity, I'm doing unemployed, but if you're employed, definitely provide the details. This I have selected just for simplicity. Definitely, it's not going to make your case simpler. Don't do. Ah, still they need. No worries. I'll do. It from oh, when length of unemployment. Okay. So since when this guy is unemployed, I can rotate it. Last employer, what I would do. IT help desk. Just don't go by these values, guys. These are sample. I say again and again. I'm just doing it to navigate through the screens. Click on supported backend, supported, self-funded. What funds will available to? So I'm just writing, but in order to get it clarified, you can always click on the link, give details of how the applicant. So you need to give in the details they have given in instruction. So in your application, provide properly. Provide this information very proper. Health declaration. In last 5 years, have you visited, lived outside the country, a passport for more than 3 consecutive months? I select no. Worker, no. Just read and answer very honestly, guys. Now, this is about character declaration, criminality, and others. So, just in order to bypass it, I'm just going for no, no, no. But in your case, give proper answers. Otherwise, there'll be issues for you. Visa history. If you currently hold, uh, you have been in Australia and other country and not complied with the visa condition, refused or cancelled. Be very careful, guys, because now a lot of countries have shared databases. So if you lie, you can be in trouble. So never do that. Declaration. So declaration in the next page, it will ask for documents and all. So these are like questions you can answer easily. From there, you can proceed and you got to pay. So I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to pay for this sample video. And once this application is launched, Elena can go ahead and she can pick up the groups and in the first screen, if you remember, first or second screen, and she can use the same group name that this guy has used, ID, and then from there she can go ahead. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.